welcome to ICCT Online Learning. For this day, let us proceed to the next chapter, that is mole concept. Now, in this topic, so we have the measuring matter. In chemistry, a mole, or just simply the symbol is MOL, of a substance contains 6.02 times 10 to the 23 representative particles. The mole is the SI unit for amount of substance. The number 6.02 times 10 to the 23 is called the Avogadro's number in honor to the Italian physicist and lawyer Amadeo Avogadro di Quaregna in 1777 up to 1856, who helped clarify the difference between atoms and molecules. The term representative particles refers to the species present in a particular substance. It can be atoms, molecules, ions, or formula units. Now, in regards to that, so we have here the formula how to determine the number of representative particles, which is equivalent to the number of moles times 6.02 times 10 to the 23 representative particles divided by 1 mole. Okay? So meaning, so that is the formula in regard to the relationship between the representative particles and the number of moles. In line with that, so we have here some example how to use that particular formula. Example, let us calculate how many particles are 5.5 moles of glucose. So in this problem, we need to determine what is the or how many number of particles for this particular 5.5 moles of glucose. For this problem, so we have again the solution, that is the number of representative particles equals the number of moles times 6.02 times 10 to the 23 representative particles, which is divided by 1 mole. Then after that, the next step is just simply substitute. So we have the representative particles equals 5.5 moles glucose multiplied by 6.02 times 10 to the 23 representative particles divided by 1 mole. Okay, then after that, mole represented by 1 mole glucose, since the question has 5.5 moles of glucose. So that's why the name of the mole is mole glucose. Then after that, the next step, obviously, mole glucose will be cancelled out. Then just simply multiply 5.5 and 6.02 times 10 to the 23 representative particles. Then after that, the answer will become the number of representative particles equals 3.31 times 10 to the 24 power. So that is the answer for this problem. Okay, so for that, so let us go now to the next part. Okay, so the next part of the topic is about the mole mass relationship. Okay, so the molar mass of an element or compound is used to convert the mass of a substance to the substance amount in moles. Now, we have here the conversion between mass to mole or moles to mass or vice versa. So let us start with the conversion from mass to mole. Okay, so to convert mass to moles, the general equation is this one. So we have moles equals mass expressed in grams multiplied by 1 mole divided by mass also expressed in grams. Okay, then another conversion, so to convert moles going to mass, so the general equation is this. Mass in grams equals the number of moles multiplied by mass in grams divided by 1 mole. So those are the two formula for the conversion, depends on a particular problem. If the problem is required to solve moles, so we need to use mass to mole. And if the problem has required to solve mass, so we need to use moles to mass conversion. Okay, so in line with that, so let us try an example regarding that particular formula. Okay, let us have an example. Let us calculate the mass in grams of 1.25 mole lithium. And the conversion factor is 1 mole lithium is equal to 6.94 gram lithium. Okay, so obviously in the problem number 2, or in this problem, so obviously we need to determine what is the mass in grams with a given 1.25 mole lithium. And we have a conversion factor between 1 mole lithium and we have the equivalent, which is 6.94 gram lithium. Then since we are already identified the given, the next step is we need to use this particular conversion factor, converting from moles going to mass. So the formula is mass in grams equals the number of moles times the mass in grams divided by 1 mole. Then after that, just simply substitute. For the mass in grams, it is equivalent to 1.25 mole lithium. Then multiply by the conversion factor, which is 6.94 gram lithium divided by 1 mole lithium. Then after that, the next step is we need to cancel out mole lithium. Okay? Then after you cancel out mole lithium, so just simply multiply 1.25 times 6.94 gram lithium. Okay? So just simply multiply it. Then after you multiply that, so the next step, you will come up with this answer. So the answer for this problem is 8.68 gram lithium. So that is the answer for this problem. Okay? So for that, so thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Have a good day too.
For more ICCT College's video updates, please subscribe and click the notification button.